What's up everybody, Matt here at Wunderlich, and today let's take a look at the Footpeg Lowering Kit for the RTs. The Footpeg Lowering Kit is going to be a game changer for the riders with a little bit longer inseam. This kit is going to move the pegs down 30 millimeters and slightly forward. This is going to increase your hip and knee angle to give you much more comfortable position, especially when touring on those long trips. These mounts are CNC machined from solid block aluminum and come with stainless pins, clips, and all the other hardware you're going to need. When installing this kit, you're going to need to adjust your rear brake lever height, so we include the bracket and hardware to do so. And also your shifter will need to be adjusted, but that can be done using the adjustable shift linkage. Be sure to check out our full installation on this part and many others for the RT that we have right here on the channel. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And if you haven't already and this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to speed on all of our new videos when they drop. Let us help you complete your BMW. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.